Welcome all of my viewers. Today we are making a 5 components of a aircraft. First of all, we have to take a page of A4 size and then make sure that the page must be in square format. Now again, cut down into the 4 square parts. Though it is a 5 components of aircraft, so you need another one. That's why I have taken another more that is previously before. Now
Now watch out.
Now again fold it that portion. So here I have made a 1 components and I have made previously before some other components. So we need total 5 components: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And for fixing that airplane craft, though it is a part by part airplane craft, so it will be better to apply some sort of glue for first permanent, first durability. Now it's making time. Watch out on that portion, there is a gap between the fingers, so just pull it on.
Wait. On the other hand,
Now that part on.
this way.
Now watch out on that hole, just push it on. Yes, you have made a new aircraft designer that have 5 components. Watch out. Shh.